Unlock the secret to weight loss: high-protein, low-carb diet. Have you been tirelessly chasing your weight loss goals but seeing little progress? Imagine a lifestyle change that not only helps you shed fat but also boosts your energy. Stay tuned, because today we're diving into the transformative power of a high-protein, low-carb diet. The secret lies in balancing macronutrients. Protein helps maintain and build lean muscle, while reducing carbs curbs those unwanted sugar crashes and triggers fat burning. By cutting processed carbs and focusing on proteins and healthy fats, you create an optimal environment for weight loss and sustained energy levels. Lean proteins should dominate your plate. Think chicken, fish, eggs, or tofu, power-packed with nutrients to keep you satisfied and support muscle repair. Proteins also help regulate hunger hormones, reducing those pesky snack cravings. Pro tip: grill your chicken or bake your fish to enjoy meals without added unhealthy fats. Gone are the days of fearing fats. Healthy fats like avocado, nuts, and olive oil nourish your body and boost metabolism without spiking your blood sugar. A tablespoon of olive oil over roasted vegetables or a handful of almonds as a snack can make all the difference in your journey. The biggest hurdle in weight loss? Processed carbs and sugar. They cause insulin spikes that lead to rapid fat storage. Swap out white bread and sugary drinks for whole, natural options. Instead of a sugary granola bar, try a crisp celery stick with almond butter. It's healthy and delicious. Feeling full longer is key to weight loss, and fiber makes it happen. Foods like leafy greens, chia seeds, and flax seeds aid digestion and keep you satisfied. A veggie pack salad with a sprinkle of chia seeds can supercharge your meals, giving you the fullness you need to stay on track. The high-protein, low-carb diet isn't just a trend, it's a proven way to lose weight, feel energized, and regain control of your habits. Now that you know the steps, it's time to take action. Start by making one small swap today and build from there. Like this video if you found it helpful, follow us for more expert fitness tips, and subscribe to our channel for weekly updates to supercharge your fitness goals. Let's transform your life, one powerful meal at a time.